Hello guys, it's me, Socrates, and today we're gonna be building the number 300. Now we're just gonna start off by putting a block on the floor, and then we're gonna grab some stairs that matches the color of your block. We're gonna put it on the sides, just like so. And now we're just gonna grab some slabs that matches the color of your blocks, of course, and we're gonna put it on the left side of your stairs. And now on the right side, we're gonna put a full block. On top of the full block, we're gonna put some stairs pointing to the right. Then on the back of the stairs, we're gonna put a full block. Then on top of the stairs, we're gonna put a full block. And on top of this block, we're gonna put stairs pointing to the right. And on the back of these stairs, we're gonna put another full block. And then in front of that block, we're gonna put more stairs. And below these stairs, we're gonna put a slab, finishing the 3. And now moving on to the 0, we're gonna skip 2 blocks. We're gonna put a full block. On the sides of that block, we're gonna put stairs upside down. And now on top of these 2 stairs, we're gonna put 3 full blocks. After doing so, we're gonna put 2 stairs, just like this. And now between these 2 stairs, we're gonna put a full block. And then lastly on the 0, we're gonna put an upside down stair in the center, just like so. And now to make the other 0, you just wanna repeat the same steps again. And there we have it, 300. Now of course you can do the greenery and outer deco by yourself if you want, that's up to you. And to be honest, I don't expect that much people to build this. This is just to show my gratitude to the 300 people that subscribe to my channel. 300 people watch my content, and by 300 people I mean like 20 people. Please like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, since these are one of the videos I enjoy to make and to do. And that will be all. Bye. Adios.